Hey everyone, this is Hero from Scrappy Happy Crafts, and today I'm going to share my second design team project, design team package from InLoveArts Shop. I just love their dies and all the stuff they have in their store. Now they have more papers, pattern papers, and stickers, and lots of new stuff. They have some Christmas themed and Halloween dies. They have nesting dies. They have many other crafting goodies. Do check out. Today I'm sharing what I have received. Let me start with this fall themed vellum stickers. I just love this. I was thinking to create some bookmarks, fall themed or Thanksgiving. And when I saw the stickers, and they are so beautiful, and they have lots and lots of stickers. Just look, you guys. I'm not sure how many pieces. There is mention on their website. I just forgot. But I guess there are, oh, here, 60 pieces. But just look at these. You can use this stuff in making journals, cards, scrapbooks, many things. Oh my god, leaves. Wow. Just look at this fall colored leaves. Some bushes, branches. Oh, this is beautiful. And then the flowers. Oh, we can just skip like this. I just love this. And I guess you get 2 or 3 pieces of each flower and the leaf. Just beautiful. So that's that. And second, I am sharing my 2 Halloween themed goodies. This is stamps that I received. I just love this font for Halloween. They look like spooky and creepy. And let me open it. And ghostly, oh my god. It's just beautiful. If you guys stamp it with black or red, blood red color, it would really look creepy and spooky. It says trick or treat, haunting, real, scary, night. There's a bat here. Ghostly greetings, happy Halloween. Is there an here? Oh yes, there is an. So this is a stamp set, and then I have received a trick or treat die. I did have a happy Halloween. I had witches. I had other stuff. I didn't have trick or treat, and I'm so happy to receive this die. It's okay, it's like this. So there's a spider web here, trick or treat, and there are other mini spider webs, and it's a perfect size, I guess, for the cards. So that's that. And next I will share this border corner dies. There are 2 types of corner dies. I don't want to open it for now, but you can look here. It's just beautiful. And I make mini albums a lot, and I feel like this would be the best thing to have for mini album pages. So that's that. And then there's a thin border doily die. I love this. They do have one another flower dies. There are tiny flowers. I did made a card out of it. You can check my previous video. I was thinking to make another flower card using this doily die as a background, and it's super beautiful. Just look, you guys. It's amazing. And those intricate designs, just beautiful. I haven't cut anything yet. I will, and I will share my project soon, but I just thought to make unboxing video for this one, just to share all my goodies with you guys, and hope you are inspired to purchase one don't forget discount code that I will be listing in my description box. You will get 20% off when you put that code in it. Again, I don't get anything out of it. It's just for you guys and to get some discounts to try those good products. And these is the nesting, I think it's irregular nesting die, something like that. It's flower petal stackable dies, but just beautiful. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces in it. And I think it won't be hard to take it off. Yeah, that's just okay. You just turn it around and it will come off. So that's that. Let me put that back. And the last I'm going to share is this Christmas paper pad, 6x6 paper pad. And I am so in love with it. I haven't opened yet, but I just saw pattern papers from here. And all these dies comes with very good packaging, so they are not damaged or harmed by shipping. Oh, so these paper you don't have to tear off. These are like papers, just individual papers. So it says Merry Christmas. I think there are 2 of each sheet. Wow, just beautiful. Oh my god, look at this. Spring bushes. Polar bear. I feel like I can use this and this paper for fall as well. I like how it goes with everything. This polar bear. Oh my god, just look at this cute, beautiful birds. I just love it. And then the reindeer. Another reindeer. And this is like a plate background. Wow, there's a fox and a reindeer and a polar bear and everything in it. And then you get this polka dots. Just beautiful. So check out their website, guys. They have beautiful stuff and they do have new stuff added every month. I just love their stuff. I love their dies. They cut very well and you don't have to run it through the machine like 3-4 times. One is enough and it cuts everything beautiful. I'll share my project soon and I'll list all these dies in the description box below. Make sure you enter the code whenever you are purchasing something. There's a 20% off discount code in my description box. And let me know what you feel about this products I received and what did you get from their website. I'll list my project soon. Bye for now.